You are truly as he anticipated. This is truly an unjust game. But if my voice is reaching you, I beg you, please overcome this game and save the world.
I'll navigate your escape route. Follow my directions. Enemy here?
Suspect confirmed. Cover.
It can't be.
Thinking that all those crimes were led by a wonk like this. You seem to be enjoying every second.
You transferred to Shujin Academy, correct? I feel like we're gonna get along just fine as troublemakers.
Looks like you just have to live a normal, honest school life for the time being. Still, make sure you stay prepared just in case anything comes up.
Okay, let's do this! I'm prepared.
It's time for yet another unboxing. Yeah, buddy. We know what it is. It's Persona 5. And I got my box today. So let's break into this. Now, I thought this box was going to be a lot bigger. This ain't nothing. It's actually a cool looking cover. Pretty cool indeed. Alright, so now we're going to do a little close up. Don't mind my Sith Lord, he's standing guard of my collection. Quick top. Alright, so got that baby up. Very nice indeed. Slides right out. Easy like butter. Unlike some other ones. That's the back. Now we're going to get the front. Another nice cover. Let's see, let's flip that over. Rest of the characters on the other side. And look at that, that's easy. Whoa. Might want to be careful with the box if you want that in mint condition. That's it's always something. Always something. Yes, my controller was right there. Alright, so this looks like it's the bag that comes with it. Get the little School Academy badge. Honestly, I don't know what I would use this thing for. It looks like a flimsy little school bag. Look at that. I feel like I need more lightning in here. Jeez. That might help some. Alright. Art book. So I guess in this one we're gonna be seeing new characters. Trying to figure out if there's, cause I know I was watching the other version of Persona. I was just like, what the? It's not the same as the first. It didn't feel like the same as the first one. I stopped watching it. I was just like, I don't know. But this looks like it's gonna be interesting gameplay and some fun. I sure enough was pondering if they was gonna have an actual good story other than like an arcade type story, which is just like meh. Good gameplay, but just meh to me. Now it looks like it's gonna actually have some fun. There's this little anime, whatever the hell he is. They're cute. Girls were like this. Me, eh. Soundtrack. Yep, Sounds of the Rebellion. Introducing these twins in this game. What are they gonna be, the daughters of that other girl? Yeah, look at this dude. Interesting character indeed. A bit awkward of a character, but pretty interesting. Ooh. Oh yeah. I like how it's protected with a little cover in there. Oh yeah. Back, yeah. Look at that. This very nice. Oh yes. Very nice indeed. And a good old color red. City in the background. Main characters posing like what would. Oh yes, and inside has more art. This is what I like also. Now that's a steel case. Very nice indeed. The game. No extra content, it seems like. There's nothing in there. Which is interesting. Normally you see stuff right here. I didn't pull that out, did I? No. Well. Steel case, the game. Soundtrack, school bag. Not too bad. This looks freaking sold. It's like no. I don't know. Yeah. And art book, which looks like it's gonna be nice. Nice little box that's somewhat flimsy. You know, yeah, that's definitely flimsy. And this guy that tossed. Yeah, be careful of that box if you're unboxing. If you even manage to get one of these. They sold out on Amazon. They're gonna sell out everywhere else. At least I'm assuming they did. Yeah. If they didn't, they definitely gonna be selling out. So, I'll be popping this baby in, and I'll be playing it after I eat. And shower and settle in. Yes, sir! It's funny, I had that in. I watched a couple episodes a while back. And it's stupid. Ah, boy. Well, that's it for the unboxing. You got the one here. Catch me at the one at Twitter. And we are for Atlas in persona in the anime. So yes, yes, yes.